Hey, Busy Bee. Busy Bee. Hello, Busy Bee, state of Maine. Central Coast of Maine, Mr. Machete, West Coast. Break, break, break. What about a Busy Bee? What about a Busy Bee? Busy Bee, Busy Bee. What about a Busy Bee? Coast to coast, Mr. Machete, West Coast. Break, break, break.
Hey, what's going on there, John Doe? Hey, John Doe. What's going on, my good friend John Doe, Nebraska, Mr. Machete with the wave. Say, come here. Looking good, sounding good, no doubt about it, my big brother. Hey, John Doe, you sounding good coming out of Nebraska. John Doe, Machete said, come here. Out here. I don't know what happened to you. I don't know if you fell out or you rolling around in the mobile. John Doe, Nebraska, Machete, West Coast, come here.
Hey, real quick, Machete, I got to get back to the home 2-0, man. We wanted to jump out here, wave the 4-1, Mr. Machete, 808 in the Rockies.
Hey, what's going on there? 808. Long right now, but I'm not sure. I'm looking up at Colorado. About 808. 808. And also up in there too. Worldwide Machete, Los Angeles. Break.
Copy that. I heard you in the garage base station, man. I had to take the truck out real quick. Just want to wave the hand. Have a good Memorial Day weekend. Be safe out there. And Mr. Machete, 808, Rocky Mountain Wave, 10-7. Fell out.
Looks like staying alive a little bit. Hey, 808. But I heard you both coming in here real well for just a little while. Put it on you later. I'm going to read the mail. 808. John Doe. 808. John Doe, Machete, West Coast. I'll see ya.
Bye, Machete. I'm going to wait on Mother Nature. I just heard you real quick when Mother Nature was peeking there. Machete, have a good one. 808 with the wave. Machete, 808 gone.